Hello, people. Welcome to a fun and easy science experiment, the air power boat. Today, we are going to build a tiny floating boat using a tetra pack, a straw, and a small balloon. Let's see how air can make a boat move. First, take a tetra pack and make two holes, one in the front and one in the back. Now, pass a straw through both holes so it goes straight across the boat. This straw will help direct the airflow that powers our boat. Next, tie a small balloon to one end of the straw. Now blow air through the other end to inflate the balloon. As the balloon fills up, it stores compressed air inside it. Once the balloon is ready, gently place the boat in water. The Tetra Pak floats because it has trapped air inside, making it lighter than water. This floating ability is called buoyancy. Now, let the air escape from the balloon. Watch carefully as the boat starts moving. Why does this happen? When the air rushes out backward through the straw, it creates a force in the opposite direction that pushes the boat forward. This is called Newton's third law of motion. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. The escaping air pushes backward so the boat moves forward. And that's how air pressure, force, and buoyancy work together to make this tiny boat move across water. Simple materials, amazing science, and lots of fun.